Hello, this is Solomon Davis with Right Side Trading, where you can learn to trade on the right side with confidence. Today is April 16th, 2017. Happy Easter, happy Easter, happy Easter to those of you who celebrate this holiday. Let me let you know this is my weekly trade review, where we review the NASDAQ and red candle we trade down, green candle we trade up. We look to make 5 points or more, look to lose no more than 5 points. Let me let you know this is all for educational purposes only. Bring up a disclaimer. Uh, please check with your significant other, your financial advisor, see if trading is something suitable for you before you indulge into trading and investing on your own. Sometimes these are one of those things that you should leave to the professionals. That's not me. Professional, I trade my own account, my own money, but I do not trade anybody else's. Uh, just leave it at that. But visit our website, check out our YouTube page, subscribe. Both of them, we have subscribe buttons here on the YouTube page, subscribe here. Let's see if we can help you. Let me minimize this. Let's go back a page. Like I say, this is April 16, 2017, and this is for the week of April 10th through April 13th. This is at Right Side Trading. You can contact us at info@rightsidetrading. You can contact me directly at solomon@rightsidetrading.com, or you can give me a call at 727-69-QQQ-09. And for this week, this NASDAQ trade is a 9:30 open that we're looking at the trade. We're looking at a 5-minute candle, a red candle we sell, a green candle we buy. We look to profit 5 points or more. We look to lose no more than 5 points. We do have some rules out there. If you check out the video, the YouTube page, you'll find where I did a whole hour long. Right on this video here, all I talk about is the basic rules. Green up, red down, 5 points, 5 points. Doji, no trade. Doji is defined by $1 or less between open and close of that first 5-minute candle. On April 10th, it was up for 10 points or more. Oh, and the indicator that I like using personally, is the pivot. I use SPE pivots on the Thinkorswim platform. Today, I'm actually showing you one of my custom, pivot indicator things that I use. Actually use, along with the other pivots. And lately you've been seeing me using the cloud. Today I just didn't bring that up. So let's get back here. April 10th, up for 10 points. April 11th, you stopped. It was up, but you got stopped. April 12th was down, you got stopped. April 13th was up for 10 points or more. And Friday, the market was closed for Good Friday. And those things this is all based on the basic rules. So now, let me bring up the screen. Let me go back over to, I need to go back to the 10th. Let me see if I can get back there. This is not the 10th. It's the 12th. That's the 10th. This indicator here, I'll just tell you a little bit about it. Very basic information because it's not one that I developed. It's one that a friend of mine developed and we used together. Although he doesn't trade the future market, he's trading other things and doing very well now, finally. Which is good. But I still like looking at this one. And I can't say much about this. All I say this is a zero line, and this is yesterday's high. We have a yesterday's high and low, and then we got some custom numbers on here. That's about all I can say about it. But it works really well. We've been using this for the last 3 or 4 years, and he's modified it and changed it a little bit, tweaked it a little bit here and there. But this is the initial one, and it still works. Once you look at it, you will see things. You will see patterns. And trading for us, the way we trade, and on these particular type trades, is all based on patterns that we see in the market. And that's where it comes with the 5-minute up, 5-minute green candle up, red candle down. It's just a pattern that just happens in the market. Like on this day right here, it was up, and it was good for 10 points or more. And me knowing, using this indicator, You never really got stopped out. It was easy to be patient and want to do this whole chop and get your full 10 points on that trade. Let's go to the next day. On this day, you got faked out based on the basic rules. But what candle pattern do you see there just about? That's a bearish engulfing candle below this custom pivot. And I'm not even looking at the other pivot, but this is the pivot, like I said, that I really like using. And and one of the basic rules, one of the rules, if you look at the other video, underneath the pivot, it's down and going down. You expect it to go down. So you would have normally what I do on this particular trade, I would have passed, even though I'm bullish I am about the market. I know to pass on this particular green candle. But on the basic rules, this is a up. You got stopped if you traded it up. On the next day, again, this is another one. We are underneath my basic, my thing. This is down. If you traded it down, though, it took a while for it to get going down, and based on the basic rules, you'd be like entering at this at the close of the candle, and you would have got stopped out on this trade. But if you do a next best play, or if you looked at, okay, if I'm going to play this thing down, how am I going to play it down? Because again, look at the other video. I talk about being underneath the pivot and all, and it consistently, if you look at it over time, a lot of times when it's under pivot like this, trending down like this, it tends to stay under the pivot. So the thing is, it's just finding another, not the 5-minute play, another play in order to get into this trade to the downside. But down, stop for the basic rules. And then Thursday, very easy trade. Again, it was trending down, but it came down here to a low. I remember I actually traded a couple other things at this time when it bounced down here, and we said that's the low. I actually even got a phone call, early in the morning saying Solomon has just hit a low, and they know how bullish I am about the market, so you play this thing up based on the 5-minute play here, and I think I did actually may even have a recording of this part out here, and green candle up, so you play it up. And again, if you got in right here at 68, had to go all the way down to 63, it never came down to stop you out before. I'm just trying to go forward here, before you got your 10 points or more in this particular trade. And based on my lines, you would have traded it. Once you jump across that line, you traded it to the next line. This was like a 15 or 20 point day. Yeah, it was over a 20 point day. I remember on the phone with the guy. I said, it's over 20 points a day, But that's the things that we have going on here at Right Side Trading, and that's it for these trades. So let's switch back over here to the video. Like I said, Monday up for 10, stopped on the upside on the 11th, stopped on the downside on the 12th, but you made it all back. You made up those 2 10-point days there. That was 5 and 5. You made a 20 points. So you made your 10 plus the 10 that you lost. And then Friday was a good Friday. I didn't trade. I think the market was actually closed. Okay, this is Solomon from Right Side Trading, where you can learn to trade on the right side with confidence. My weekly trade review for the week of April 16th. For April 10th through April 13th. Let me bring back up our page here. Visit our YouTube page. I'll be posting this video out here. Check out our web page, Right Side Trading. Look for updates coming up here sometime soon. Other than that, you guys have a happy Easter and have a great week trading. Talk to you later. Bye.